Traffic 6005, descend to 3000, clear RLS runway 03 approach.
Roger, clear descent to 3000, clear for DLS runway 03 approach, Batik 6005.
Scooter 008, descend to 4000.
4000, cruiser right. Batik 6005, FIBC localizer runway 03.
Traffic 6005, g'day, contact Perth Tower 1205.
120.5 for tower, Batik 6005, thank you sir, bye bye. Perth Tower, good day, Batik 6005, FIBC localizer runway 03, information Delta.
2 in, car 7, copied your transmission. Lift station calling tower.
Tower, Batik 6005, FIBC localizer runway 03, information Delta.
Batik 6005, Perth Tower, good afternoon. Continue approach, vehicle on the runway.
Roger, continue approach, Batik 6005.
Factory and landing station.
Plus GNF. Terus GNF. Altimeter setting. Request aja.
Perth Netlink 1610, ready.
540.
Netlink 16 at Perth Tower, line up runway 06.
Line up runway 06, Netlink 1610. Tower, Batik 6005, confirm the QNH is 1027.
Batik 6005, AFM QNH 1027.
Roger, 1027, copy, Batik 6005.
Dari checklist. Engine start CDS. Tujuh speed brake. Landing gear down flat. Baru gitu lah. Pakai tenan.
Netlink 1610, runway 06, clear for takeoff.
Runway 06, clear for takeoff, Netlink 1610.
Kalau masuk kita jam segini, stay itu baru menang banyak tuh ya. Gila dingin banget ya. Gue udah pernah cerita belum sih yang di Blue Boat House itu? Kenapa? Ada lumba-lumba. Oh belum? Ada lumba-lumba? Ada. Makanya lihat dari hotel ada
Netlink 1610, contact departures.
selembaran trip-trip gitu kan. Lumba-lumba di mana? Ternyata di situ. Gue lihat sendiri waktu itu lagi nongkrong di situ. Orang pada naik kayak nyamperin.
Tower, 7 is from A03 to Charlie. Back to base.
Car 7. Batik 6005, wind 110 degrees, 5 knots, runway 03, cleared.
1000.
Roger, runway 03, close for line, Batik 6005.
Line 13.
200.
Right 11.
$300.
Right 10.
Minimums.
Check on you.
200.
Right 9 clear to land.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Perth Tower, Scooter 008, good evening.
Scooter 008 Tower, good evening. Continue approach.
Continue approach, Scooter 008.
Fatigue 6005, vacate right. Taxiway Papa, hold short Charlie.
Roger, exit right to Papa, hold short Charlie, Fatigue 6005.
Fatigue 6005, contact ground 122.2.
Roger, 122.2, Fatigue 6005.
Tango Charlie, holding point Charlie 11, runway 03, Singapore 214.
Ground, good day, Fatigue 6005, I get to fire Papa, Bay 154.
Fatigue 6005, Grand, good day, hold short at taxiway Charlie, Singapore's outbound from the international.
Roger, hold short Charlie, Fatigue 6005.
Sini ya, depan ya. Setelah garis itu aja tadi gua.
Fatigue 6005, give way to the outbound Singapore 777 and then taxiway Tango to the base.
Roger, after the Singapore passing, continues to the bay via single line, Bay 154. Take it to 6005.